Hello everyone, welcome to Andy Visits. The ages of the Avengers in Endgame makes it evidently clear that Marvel Cinematic Universe needs some more young blood. While we aren't here to disrespect the OG team, of course, let's break down how old all of the heroes were at the end of the Infinity Saga and access how far they have come on their journey.
You tried to hide your suit from me.
Tony Stark. He was born in 1970. When he died in Avengers, he was 53 years old.
I put in harm's way.
Steve Rogers. Technically, since he was born in 1918, Cap is 105 years old in 2023. We know he counts his age that way since he told Natasha, "I'm 95 and I'm not dead" in Captain America the Winter Soldier. Steve was frozen in 1945 at age 27 and started again when he was woken up in 2012 just before the Avengers, which makes him physically 38 years old during the events of Avengers Endgame. However, the film's screenplay notes that Steve is 112 years old when he gives Sam his shield at the end of the movie. Natasha Romanoff. She was born in 1984, which makes her 39 years old during Avengers Endgame, even though she technically died in 2014 on Vormir because of time travel. Bruce Banner. According to the Incredible Hulk movie, he was born in 1969, which makes Bruce 54 years old by Avengers Endgame. Since the movie starred Ed Norton instead of Mark Ruffalo as the Jade Giant, you could take it with a grain of salt, but it kind of makes sense that Bruce and Tony are about the same age. Clint Barton. Hawkeye's birthday hasn't been stated in the MCU, but actor Jeremy Renner is a couple years younger than both Robert Downey Jr. and Mark Ruffalo. So let's say the client was pushing 50 in Endgame.
Let's go.
Thor. In Avengers Infinity War, the God of Thunder casually states that he is 1500 years old. If we are taking that literally, Thor is 1505 when we find him in Avengers Endgame. Carol Danvers. Captain Marvel was born around 1960, got superpowers in 1989 that stop her from aging, and hasn't really been living solar years while hopping around since the 90s. So while she should be in her mid-60s in Avengers Endgame, she still looks she is in her early 30s. Scott Lang. Scott wasn't snapped by Thanos, but he was stuck in the quantum realm for 5 years where time doesn't exist. Insert joke about Paul Rudd never aging here, but if Ant-Man is the same age as the man who plays him, he would be 49 in 2018. Doctor Strange. The Sorcerer's age hasn't shown up in the MCU films and he's too cool for linear time. But going off actor Benedict Cumberbatch's age, he would be about 42 years old after everything goes down. Peter Parker. Spider-Man is 17-year-old in Avengers Endgame and still a junior at Midtown Science.
Just don't do anything I would do.